Vanguardian is a vehicle and asset zonal alarm system where you can decide what you want to protect. If you need to protect the fabric of your van with an alarm system that activates on contact, we have the product. One sound with a remote control, Vanguardian throws a blanket of protection around your vehicle that activates on contact, drawing instant attention to criminal activity before the damage is done. We can protect a pipe carrier, ladders on assets on a roof rack, the back door, side door combination. Our system comes in any flexible combination that you would like to purchase. 3-point protection here is only £180. This is the omnidirectional sound refraction cover plate. What this means is there's no visible speakers. It means that this sound can't be blocked off from this product. It adds additional security to protection of the alarm product underneath. Our 3M I-bond contact adhesive tape is one part of our patented design. The flexible base enables us to attach to a convex back door and create a full 100% adhesion, so we have a good foundation for our products to be strongly and securely attached. Vanguardian is fully guaranteed. It's even guaranteed against attempted removal and damage by a thief. A preemptive early warning alarm to attract the attention to thieves and criminals around your van before damage is done.
If you want the best deals on hand tools, power tools and accessories like what you see on this channel delivered to your inbox every single week at 6 p.m. on a Tuesday, hit the link in the description and join Tool Talk for free today.